Whew. It's cold. What's up, guys? So we're here at the Point Defiance Park. We're at the Owen Beach Park, and Point Defiance Park is very large park. Here's my wife Ode. What can you say?
Hello. Hello. Tugna ka lang.
Yeah?
Tugna. Ganiti gali.
No way.
Lagi. Ganiti ba?
It's slippery.
We're back in the car.
And it's too cold outside.
I know. It's really cold.
But good thing it's sunny. It's not raining.
I went out for a couple minutes and then I came back to the car.
I know, you're so KJ.
I can't. It's too cold. We are leaving the park. This is a big park. Huge. This park is very green. We are in the jungle. We are in the boonies. Facts about this park, Point Defiance Park. It's located in Tacoma, Washington. It's a large urban park in the United States. It's about 702 acres. Huge. This park includes Defiance Zoo and Aquarium, the Rose Garden, the Rhododendron Garden, beaches, trails, and a boardwalk, a boathouse, and a Washington State ferry dock for the Point Defiance Tahlequah route to Vashon Island. Yes. So when you're on this park, you know the beach that, what is it called, the beach? Yeah, the beach we were at earlier. You could see Vashon Island right there. And Fort Nisqually. There's also a dog park. It says that more than 30 million people visit this park every year. It's so nice because you have your own way of, like, there's one way to go in and there's one way to go out. There's the other way to go in and other way to go out. Or their parking area is lettered like A to whatever letter, and it's like A for something, B for blah, the one I was talking about, for Aardvark, B for Budgie.
There's a trail over here.
There's a trail right there. D for duck. E for elephant. Okay, so nami bisita karon. Naram bisita on. Hi. Ilang gi-drop among gifts.
What's that? Wow!
Hello! How did you know? Pinasagkap. Okay, my turn. Ben! Kidding me! Hello! Yum, are you serious?
Ganan ka sa collar?
Oo! Hala, ganan pa jud ko kay kanang sling.
Ako sa ganan ko.
Hala, thank you! Hala, bongga.
Ko ako ang sulod.
Hala, ganan kuya.
Di, bambutang din sa sulod, oh. Kaya magamit pa ni. Bambutang sa sulod ba?
Hala, ganan ko.
Hilig na siya cap. Thank you, guys.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South 277th Street toward Emerald Downs. South 277th Street toward Emerald Downs.
Right.
2.5 miles, turn left to merge onto I-5 South toward Portland.
I got from Seafood City chips for Ode. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like. Katy Perry.
Alexa, stop.
I'm only
guys. I'm going back to sleep. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Peace.